Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily enable or disable developer settings on your CHiQ TV. So let's start off by going to the settings. Now here, scroll down until you guys see system. Here click about and scroll down until you guys see the Android TV OS build. Here, click it up a couple of times. Now it will say that you're the developer. So scroll down and here you will have the developer options. Now if you want to disable them, simply click OK on the switch to enable developer settings. Now they should be off, and when you leave those settings they will disappear. So this is how you guys can easily enable or disable developer options. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe and a comment if this tutorial was helpful to you. Bye.